Alright, let's get right into this. This is going to be a short video. Not going to worry about voiceovers, I'm just going to go straight with what I record because I'm lazy. So, this is the Out of This World De-Stress Kit from Jackie. How exciting is that? We get a bunch of stuff. Super cute box. First thing we have is a holographic sticker. How cute is that? Next we have a whole bunch of more stickers. Stickers are always good. First, the plushie. Let's get right into the plushie. You ready? You ready for this? Hoo-wah. How cute is that? How cute is that? Oh, he's so squishy and cute. So squishy. Oh. Oh, that's a nice squish. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is nice. Oh, he's gonna get dirty. Alright, next up. I've had a lot of these over my lifetime. They are fun. Not really my bag. I mean, I am into repetitive things, but I'm not big on things I have to use two hands to manipulate. It's not, I mean, it's relaxing, but makes noise. Anyways, and last but not least, is it supposed to do that? Is it supposed to get stuck like that? Anyways, ball. Well, that's not what I was expecting. I was expecting at least one of these to make little clicky noises. The middle one doesn't seem to spin as freely as the other two, but that's okay. Ooh, clickies. Oh, two that don't have clickies. Oh, that's cool. No clicky, no clicky, 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 clicky. Spin. It's okay. Little nub doesn't really grab your finger, but it still spins nice. Seriously, I could just click this all day. In the worry stone spot, just rub it. This also has a twist option. Twist, 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 twist. That's weird though. Is this supposed to get stuck like that? Anyways, so yeah, that's everything that's in the box. I really like everything that's in the box. Plop. Yay. Super cute. You should go get one if she still has any left.